What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having an awesome day today. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the art of the barter. But before we get into all that, I gotta water these pigs. And Jessie, she keeps getting into the water and making it muddy. She thinks it's a big bath for us, so we made a little mud pile for her down here so poured the water out. She can roll around in there and have some fun. Look at there. Hey guys, I know a lot of y'all that are probably watching this channel may do some bartering from time to time, and I do too. I found a local family, a really cool local family that they like to they're known for bartering things. It's awesome. I'll show you them later on in the video, but I'll talk to you real quick about bartering. Now, I like to do that as much as possible. Anytime you can save some money, some hard cash, and barter for things, vegetables, meat, do it. It's an awesome way to save on your income for sure. Look at Jessie back there. I'm telling you, this pig is crazy. And the water came out. Hold on a second. Awesome. But anyways, what we used to do before we started raising our own steers, like Jessie back here, I would have pork sausage, and I would trade pork sausage to my friend that would get a steer butchered, and he would give me ground beef, and I would give him pork sausage. So we would trade pork and beef back and forth. That was one awesome way where he was able to save money on raising his own pigs, and I was able to save money on raising my own steer. But now I do both, so it's no big deal. But that's one way that you guys could do things. If you don't have the means to raise a steer, then you could raise pigs and you could trade people for meat. It's awesome way to do things, and it's a really good avenue to go towards if you're wanting homegrown meat. We're gonna try to trade some Dutch's Money Honey for some homemade apple butter. I can't wait. Me and Hayden love apple butter, and on her Facebook post, she was talking it up, and it looked awesome. So I can't wait to dig into it. At the end of the video, hopefully if the barter goes good, I'll have some apple butter and we'll taste test it for you guys. But we're going to show you the art of a barter, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and let's go meet this local family and see if I can't get some good trades going on. All right, guys. All right, so we just had this like big long conversation, and I didn't record, or I didn't have my mic on at all. So we're gonna do this again. All right, today's video we're gonna do, it's called the art of the barter. Now, Alex here was bragging about this apple butter that she's making, and then I seen a comment she made that she would like to try some of Dutch's Money Honey. That's what I got right here, because she bought some of Taylor's from Pure Living for Outdoors. I actually sold it to you guys. I mean, come on, Taylor, really? They watch all your videos. All right, come on. Now, I was going to give this to him, but then I seen the apple butter she was bragging about. I was like, I got to try that. So we're going to do a little bartering. Hey, you guys want to trade a couple of honeys for some apple butter?
Oh, yeah.
There we go. All right. Hope the mic's on.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get into this. When I get home, I'll try it, and I'm not going to tell them if it's good or not until they watch the video. I'm sure it's awesome. Now, is this the first time you made this?
First time.
First time, and I guess it's pretty good from your post.
Mm-hmm.
Now they have a little. How many acres you guys got?
We have 10 acres.
Yeah, that's what I got.
It's about half wooded, half pasture.
Perfect. Now they got 10 acres. They said it's half wooded to half pasture. They're raising pigs. He said for the first time. Is it the first time this year?
Yeah, we
you already raised them.
Yeah, we raised them and butchered them. What was it, in April? I think it was April we butchered them.
So they raised these pigs. This was their first go around. They've already butchered them. How was it? You guys like it?
Oh yeah.
Awesome, huh?
We're definitely going to be doing it every year.
Yep. What do you guys do? Where do you get them? Like, what part of the year do you get them?
When we got them, it was just more of a fluke thing. My buddy was like, hey, we have these 2 hogs that they're selling, and we actually went in with a friend. He kind of bought them.
Or something?
Yeah, he bought them, and then we
awesome.
raised them at the place, so it was kind of a
trade out.
Thing.
Yeah.
It was more just, hey, we got these hogs.
You want them? Yeah, let's do it. That's the perfect way to get into it.
And then from now on, we're gonna
do it for now. Yeah, that's exactly how I got into it. Now, they were telling me the reason why they got hogs because they seen a lot of my hog videos, and I've had several people tell me that, hey, Dutch, we love your hog videos. We actually raised them for the first time this year, and that's why we do this YouTube channel, to help other people out, to inspire them to do their own thing, because we all know at any moment, I don't know if you guys know, but I like being prepared. I'm sure you do, being the profession you're in. You want to be prepared for any situation, and we get a lot of not ice storms, but we get a lot of power outages in Oklahoma, especially when you live in rural areas. Electric goes out like that all the time, so it's good to have meat on hand, especially bacon, because we all like bacon. But you're prepared for outages and things like that, you don't have to go to Walmart, because we all know in Oklahoma, you guys can tell me, if the wind blows 50 miles an hour, if they call for a snowstorm, you might get 1 inch. It's a fight at Walmart to get anything, right? It's crazy.
Bread and milk's gone.
Yeah, that's the first thing to go. And you will see little old ladies fighting over a piece of bread. It's nuts. You would think it's the end of the world, but seriously, that's how it is in Oklahoma. So it's awesome that they got the same mindset we do. She's making her own apple butter. Now they got their own honey. They're probably gonna start getting bees now after they taste this honey. I'm telling you, it's good stuff. But they did have rabbits. They said they're gonna get back into rabbits. They raised the pigs. Y'all have chickens, goats. They got a little bit of everything, just like what I got going on. You want to tell them your Instagram?
Yep. I'm on Instagram. My name is Alex Sawyer, and Facebook is Alex Sawyer also. So,
And I'll put.
I do post a lot of stuff. On
She posts a bunch, so really entertaining and good, knowledgeable stuff. And I'll put you know, the name of your thing down in the description too. You guys can go subscribe to her or whatever it's called. Click the whatever, I don't know.
Friend me.
friend me. You can go friend them. But all right, guys, that was the art of the barter. So you guys need to let me know if it was better than Taylor's.
Okay.
I mean, come on, it's got it. They're gonna do comparison. So go check out her Instagram, because she's gonna tell us the winner.
This might be better because we didn't pay for this.
Yeah. Exactly. We all like to barter. I'm kind of disappointed in Taylor that he would actually sell them honey. Seriously, Taylor, come on. Huh?
Now he's wanting to barter.
Does he want to barter? Tell us about it. What does he want to do?
He stole Dutch's idea. He wants to barter. Now he's wanting some apple butter.
Oh,
some honey.
he read Taylor read the Facebook post about I was wanting to do some trade. Now he's wanting to do it. I see how it is. All right, guys. Hey, thanks a lot for meeting me over here. We're kind of at a shady little park over here. We're not doing drugs out here. We're bartering for apple butter and honey, I'm telling you. But thanks a lot for coming out here. Thanks for bartering with us. And us people in Oklahoma, we like to do that. A lot of people will barter bacon for eggs, bacon for meat, stuff like that. And you guys barter all the time.
We actually use some of the hogs.
To barter?
We bartered some hog for
get some barrels.
All right, listen. You hear that? Now they're the real barters around here. I'm just tell us what you did now. What'd you do?
We had a friend that got some 55-gallon drums.
Works out here in the industrial park.
Yeah, and he said he'd get them, and so just for him going through his time and everything, we gave him some breakfast hams.
That's awesome.
Like that, and
we keep our feed in it, you know, those 55
Yeah,
gallon
we
barrels.
get all of the feed for
Heck yeah.
goats and stuff.
We traded for the hog.
That's awesome. He said they actually kind of did a bartering for the hog. Actually, your friend bought it. You raised it on your place, right?
Yeah. Yeah,
So,
he bought both of them, and then we just took care of them because he didn't have the facilities at his house to do it. So we just took care of them, and then we just paid for the butchering.
That's awesome.
It was a real good deal for kind of both of us. He didn't have to take care of them, and we didn't mind taking care of them.
That's awesome. Yeah, because you guys are in that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And he don't want to do it because he don't have the place, but you guys like doing it, so it's a win-win.
Yeah.
That's how we do it out here in Oklahoma. We just barter for everything. What else you guys got in the van over there? We'll see what I got. We'll start trading everything out here. All right, guys, go check out her Instagram. I'll put a thing down below. There's going to be an announcement on whose honey is better, mine or Taylor's. I think it's going to be mine. I really do. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hey, if you guys liked the video, please smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, the trade got done. Did the bartering, got the apple butter. I'm back at the house. I'm gonna hurry up and try some of this before I have to go into town. Man, it smells like apple pie. You sure this ain't apple pie? That is awesome. Good job, Alex. Great job. Man, that was good. Good. I think I got the better end of the deal here. A little bit of honey for some homemade apple butter. Heck yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.